The content shown in this video should be considered for entertainment purposes only. The actions and information that follow are fictional and/or reenactments. Do not try this at home.
Message, hey Red, this is what I need, blah, blah, blah. Please call me at this number right here, send, and I'm gonna call you personally, and then we can chop it up. So if you need to talk to me personally, you come here, fill out this information, name, email, leave me a detailed message, phone number, ways to contact you back. You'll get a call, email, however you want to chit chat, and I'm gonna hit you directly, So check that out. Or you can go to the Instagram, Make sure y'all follow too on Instagram, leave a message, boom, I'm gonna get back with you directly, right on Instagram. So however you want to communicate, those are ways you can communicate. Right here, you can hit me on the telly, Polo Red at the Empire, leave a message. All the information right here, y'all see it, write it down, hit me back up. But let's get back to this Bible. So now we're back at the Bible, page 7, as you see. Let's go into more details of what you need to do, what you need to put on applications, housing, step by step, places to go, fill out applications, the whole 9 yards. Information, what you need to do, how you need to do it, when you need to do it. This book got, like I say, even if you want to start your own credit repair company or just fix your credit yourself, you don't even want to go to Private Empire to get no credit. This book also has all the credit information. It got the letters that you send the credit bureau, details of how to fill it out, what to put to fix your credit, to get negative items removed, all that good stuff. So if you follow this to the T, it's $1 million blueprint. You'll be on YouTube doing videos about this information, about how you got this and that, because this book right here, it's so much gems in it. It's gonna, like I say, it's gonna make a lot of people mad that I'm giving it away so cheap and I'm giving it away free, because they out here making a killing off the book, and a lot of mentors I got, they're gonna be mad. Hey bro, you can't do that, you messing up the game, you're giving the game away free, telling cheap, gotta make people pay for that. Now, if you lucky enough to be rocking with us on this channel and you subscribe, it's gonna be a lot of free information I'm giving away, that I didn't pay for, I didn't pay for 5 mentorships, so it's a lot of people that ran the bag up on me, so I got my money back, so I can't complain, but it's time for me to do something different. I could charge high mentorship and stuff like that, but anyway, I'm just rambling, man, excuse me. Let's get back to this book. Dunn's number, Swift code, it's just so much information. Like I say, let's get to the private lenders list. Let's go down a little bit further. So as you see, man, we on page 32 and it's just full of information. This is not something you're gonna be able to get all in a day, but if you take the time to soak this information up, you will be ahead of the game tremendously. Right here, look, tell you the credit companies, where they pulling from, all this insider information right here. That's what they call it, insider information. The bank credit cards, it tells you these all pulling from TransUnion. And this is, like I say, it's enough right here to bust your head. So if you really just rocking all the secret lenders list, it can come. Retail cards with the links. You can hit the links, just give you some example, like you hit the link, taking to you where you need to go to fill it out, right there. You back in the game. You ain't missed the beat. So it's ready to get you to that level. Like I said, a lot of people gonna be mad I'm showing this or giving this book out, but it's my book. I paid for it. I can do what I please with it. And as you see, just keep on going. We at 60, 69. Let's see how long this list go. We going. We still rocking. We going. We still rocking. we almost at 150 credit cards. Past that now. Let's see what this thing gonna go to. 178 cards. It's cards people didn't even know about. The Walmart Discover card. Wow, man. Keep going. Just a different list. It's for you ones who got the students and and your CPs. Different, man. Gas cards for your business. Like I say, people coming out talking about this like this information new. You need to go get this, you need to go get this. Like they giving you some new information. This information been out. Like I say, I've been having this book over 5 years. So it looked like it probably been out before that, but I've been having it over 5 years. So my bad, I don't mean to take a drink in y'all video. Just keep on American Express, said it, man. This stuff been out, y'all. I'm watching YouTube and I'm seeing people dropping videos about this stuff, like this stuff just like they just found out about it today. I said, okay, that's what we doing now. So, me and my team, we got us a YouTube too. Now we about to drop videos like, yeah, we just found out it yesterday. But I'm letting y'all know the truth about it. It's been out. You know what I'm saying? When you're going through this, like I say, we just at page 80. Like I say, I could make this video 2-3 hours if I just go all the details about this book. But I'm giving it to y'all for free. All you gotta do is like, subscribe, and share it. And everybody have it. Then it might get a little crazy. But everybody got this information. There's gonna be a lot of people with a lot of money in their pockets. Like they giving away stimulus checks again. Oh man. But as you see, keeps going. All you gotta do is just read the information and apply it to the best you see fit. Best you see fit. That's all you gotta do. All you gotta do, remember, to get the book free, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, like, share the video. So if I give away 1,000 copies of this, I have 1,000 shares. That's what my catch is into it. Everybody wanna know why you're doing it. I'm doing it for the shares. Not even, you ain't even gotta subscribe. Just share it. I want everybody to know about what's going on. Keep going. We at 124. And I'm doing this right here. People are like, why you going through it like this? There's a couple of y'all hustlers out there who on the page. Y'all smart enough. You're not gonna share. You're not gonna subscribe. But you're gonna try to screen record the whole video. Go back slow. Pause the page. And get more information off of it as you can. And I respect your hustle, man. I did the same thing in my days. So I'm looking out for you. I'm going through the whole book, basically. Giving you some game if you don't want to take the simple way by subscribing and sharing. You know, you don't want to go to the website and buy for the 50K. It's just information, man. We can go deeper and deeper and deeper into it. Just want to let y'all know, look, we're on page 186, still more information, more sites. Banks, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, this information on here is super valuable. You can come get it from us from the low, basically free. You know. So, you know, with that being said, before I end this video, I'm gonna tell you again, all you gotta do is like, subscribe, share the video. Once you do that, take a screenshot, send the screenshot to right here, and I'm gonna send you the Bible. That's it, 3 steps. You know, if you want to buy the Bible straight up, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to do all that, you feel that's too much, you come to proactiveempire.com, go to the South Shop, and boom, it's right here. It's right here for you. You know, you see the cover, you see the name of it. It's right here. It's the same one I'm showing you. It's the same one I'm showing you. Same book. You know, that's all you gotta do. You know, here the back cover lets you know. But at the end of the book, right here, got the information where you can find the set. Swipe game 00. You know. So, hey, check us out. Hit that like and subscribe button. Share the video. With that being said, the Empire, we out. Let us know.
What it do? Yeah. You know what it is? Yeah. MJ. Disaster. Woo. I'm so dope when I step up in it. Damn food collection clothes smelling just like spinach. I guess